baby. You're the only one who knows. You're the only one who knows. Yeah.
Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you say, come again. If you cannot stay down, then you do not have to pretend like there is no way out. I should've never let you in, cause you got me face down. And don't take this personal. Know the words, you know what you've done to me. And although it hurts, I know I just can't keep running away. I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, but I want you. I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, but I love you. Tell me what you say now, tell me what you say. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up uninvited? Then just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal. You ain't shit, you weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse than you. I just can't keep running away. But I don't need you, 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 but I want you, but I want you. I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, but I everybody's like, he's no item, please don't like him, he don't wife him, he more nice him. I never listen though, I should've figured though, all the shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, wish we never did it, cause I usually do, stick to the business. But you came out the blue, and then you just flipped it. Damn baby, my mind's blown, be forgetting you live in a different time zone. Think I know what this is, just the time's wrong. Yeah, I know what you did, but baby, I'm grown. And my love is patient and kind of shit. This is where we can build through different types of shit. You was really the realest, wouldn't be fighting it. I think your pride is just in the way. Funny how everything changed once you got all that you wanted. Nothing was ever the same. And though I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, I still want you. I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to,
it again. Make me feel like you made me feel like nothing, yeah. And you got me thinking of you too. I'm so glad we met. All this in my head is everything easy. I'm gonna keep it real. You made me sing do the things you do. Nobody like you. I just wanna have fun. Get your oops, I just wanna have fun. I just wanna, I just wanna. I just wanna, I just wanna. I just wanna, I just wanna have fun.
Do you slide on all your nights like this? Do you try on all your nights like this? Put some spotlight on the slide. Whatever comes too quick. Do you slide on all your nights like this? Do you try on all your nights like this? Put some spotlight. All this jewelry ain't no use when it's this dark. It's my favorite part, we see the lights that got so far. It went too fast, we couldn't reach it with the heart. It's on the wrist of link of charms, yeah. Laying with still a link apart. Like we could die all young, like we could die all blind. If we could see in 2020, twice we could see it till the end. To Malaysia, my baby, the paparazzi flashing crazy. She swallowed the bottle while I sit back and smoke gelato. Walking my mentor 20,000 paying Picasso. Bitch, be dipping, dabbing with niggas like a nacho. Got the pen and diamond dancing like Ricardo. She having it when they call her working on the bachelor. I know you got a pass, I got a pass. It's in the back of us. Average, I'ma make $1 million on the average. I'm riding with no brain, bitch, I'm out of it. You slide on all your nights like this. Do you try on all your nights like this? Some spotlight on the slide, oh yeah. Whatever comes too quick. Do you slide on all your nights like this? Do you try on all your nights like this? Put some spotlight on the
So this is my final look. I have on number 9 Tucker, of course. And I have on a white t-shirt underneath, just some jeans. I think these are Forever 21 jeans. I have my Balenciaga bag, and I'm going to put on my Balenciaga tennis shoes. But this is the final look, you all, for my quick get ready with me.